I make him tongue stiff.
I'll tell you the name again. They don't have a sign, Panny. Moon Palace. Wonder if they have no palace in there with the moon turn up, Panny. And this is a training route. So what is good for?
See, I got cut beard by 70.
Yes, we are in Ochie Via's market. Yes. Big open dedication.
You never see it in a thing, you know. I never see it in a photo.
Nonsense will not make no sense to my video. Some of the video missing thing. Yeah, so that I pile up my video.
This is Ochie.
Alright, sir.
We're in the town of Ochie. This is the craft market to your left, the vending area of a craft market, and you're going to US sell and buy.
Patwa, bro. Patwa. I'm not the tongue in. You better have the tongue in with me.
Yeah, so then you get to US with change.
Yes.
Now you're Ochie. Yeah.
Sound better. And right there, so what the hotel they did name again? I not even know it. What the hotel did name again? They don't have a sign, Panny. Moon Palace. Wonder if they have no palace in there with the moon turn up, Panny. So yes, I watch it from the clock. See clock there? Who don't know it now, no know it. We are transfer money.
The red line miles that come back out there too. When I go through too much traffic up the side. Yo. I'll go over and do them. But the birds are here there now. You're right, friend. Yeah. Back at town. I don't know where I do.
The fruits me want to know, man. Drop me off, make me a salad get with mango.
Yeah.
Alright. Don't know what to say, we're not going to the market.
Yeah.
Don't know how to put this thing along.
How we go, son?
Yeah.
Yeah, give me money.
That's about the A for that market.
Extortion.
Yeah, I'm making it.
That's not go walk. You have to
Yeah,
go
we
to
bought
it.
One room,
when they get entrance out the soil, that's what they can go.
in metro.
You know where you go by yourself? If you watch you, you know? If you go me.
That's how you go right back around, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I can't go right back home. Really, judgment, you need to be really,
Mm-hmm. Oh no, this is a road you're coming like a, oh God.
Man, I come through, man.
and I shot, chop it.
Like a part will no matter to him at all.
Don't do that, but I'm going to part one, brother. Things, I broke potential again.
Alright, the West Man will come back over
Where's the car, last car,
here. Look at one entrance to the market, right?
They look pure, cold press, right? Yeah. What is this?
Scenery.
Cheney root? I first may I see it today? Roots. Oh God. Man, good up fruits. Sweet. Just looking there. Nice. Oh my God. And I saw what's up there, big man. No mango, right? None at all. Look at that. No mango. The pot. Still can't find it. I will go buy mango for you. Hello, where one name? Have any vervine?
Yeah.
You see? Is it called nata? That they call nata?
Yeah.
And this is a training route. So what is good for?
Now we have meringue leaf, Via leaf,
We have the meringue leaf already.
castor,
We have castor oil, vervine. Vervine, may I look? So what is vervine good for?
vervine go through what is something really. They grow up fancy.
Oh, I saw you everything have you like in a powder.
No. A powder you want in a? I never see them up there.
You want them beat you out, you know.
Eh?
A vervine.
That's what you want. You never see it in a
thing, you know.
They never see it in a powder. At least, you know.
much you want?
Eh?
I don't want so much. Bush. Bush every sickness. And what is this?
Old man beard.
Old man vein?
Old man beard.
So what that do now?
You boil one medicine like the cancer.
Okay.
Palm tree run up. Palm tree.
Okay.
That's a dog blood.
Dog blood.
We have the Irish mash. We don't get too much Irish mash. We want to get some Irish mash.
Yeah, man.
How much for that?
$2.
$2. We go and make some saddle.
Very good, man.
Vervine? All your sinus.
Holy fucking.
I tell us saddle Craig check and say feel much better. And you know that take me something.
Oh.
And I want to give it back to me.
I'm busy.
And I may have done there something there already. Yeah, I'm not make them.
What is it? Irish man?
Let me have a look now.
Buy the Irish man. Buy
Let me see how I look for.
Go video the herbal shop, man.
The herbal shop.
We have a big herbal shop on the side, yeah.
Mm.
I can show you
I
what
little
is
bag
one.
that. I don't want the little bag. I don't want the little bag.
Come show you can show your friend them back.
No, I don't want that one. The 2 little want a big bag. You see it? How you sell it? Daddy, I buy some mango pan here. Hardy.
No man, some tobacco.
Daddy, I buy some and it never good. I go put it, it's no good.
I'm going to find a find it. You see here? You see? The Irish one.
Hold on.
The Irish one. See? How are you doing that?
If you feel I'm tough than you know a good man. I'm a strong, you know. The strong one no good.
What you say?
And I see you with that diary, man. Well, you go walk away, you go pop up on the white one, though. You see weed.
Yeah.
Touch your water, people.
Warm, yeah, never good. What is this?
That's what it's like.
You know, I mean, I get to know, you know. Just a look around, really. When I look around, then I look. I know him.
What do you mean?
I know him, man. He's over way over the side, and I know him, man.
Someone can show you. You can start video from here, sir.
Where?
Right here,
Let
sir.
me see. So what are these?
It's a sweet base, no? So I can smell it, no? Sweet bars, no?
Oh,
It's a strong back. Yellow dark. A bitter bark.
Bitter bar?
Yeah, bitter bark to make bitters.
Bitters,
Cleanse the blood
okay.
and all that, period pain and all that. It's a burdock.
Bird act,
Yeah, it's a blood whisk.
blood whisk.
Cashew bark.
Alright. So what cashew bar good for?
To make tonic, roots.
Root.
And this are the busy.
Busy.
The colon and see them at home. Come right there.
Oh, okay. Oh.
And these are the roots now, we billion back, we billion. And this is for nerve. So for the high blood pressure.
High blood pressure.
Yeah, this one now very bitter. Blood cleanser. This one make you pass your stool freely. This is the weight loss, so lose a lot of weight. So see this one are the water waste. So when you dry down the waste them, now the woodland and burst them and drain them out. this one come from the trumpet tree. So this is the tree. You dig it very deep. So the thing from a tree like this to the bucket.
Okay.
So from Germany from the tree come to the bucket. You drink this a morning, this in the night.
Oh, okay. Never heard of it before.
Tummy and everything. So the chainy root.
Oh, chainy root.
Sarsaparilla.
Sarsaparilla.
That
So who never know, you know, no.
Yeah, you can show your friend.
Yeah, man. And we're in the market in Ochie there.
I may have things like well for black tube and superior.
So who they should ask when they come in the market?
Anthony.
Anthony.
Yeah man, the herbal man from 9 Mile.
It smells nice though.
You want some of the sweet bars, bro?
Now what is this?
Oh, that's the bird pepper. The chili pepper.
Oh, what that good
and
for?
the lemongrass. You see the lemongrass.
And the lemongrass, okay.
So I don't know if you go on and carry back. Yes, cinnamon. Maybe you want to patronize me.
But I don't really want to eat.
How about the sweet bars?
I can't like really carry back up so much something. But it was nice to teach
yeah,
me.
meringue here.
Meringue.
And the seed and everything.
Oh, so you meringue seed.
Yeah, meringue seed for the body.
So why this mix?
Oh, that is, no, I just bay leaf and stuff. I might get out from the box. I soon separate like that.
Not too much, you know.
You want half of this? That's one. That's one.
How much for this?
$1,000.
You have meringue? No, sir. I'm not this much.
$5. I don't know. Buy one.
The meringue? No?
How much you buy? Oh, $100. You know how much dozen of this?
How much meringue, sir? Though?
Meringue? You ever eat it then?
Yeah,
Bitter sweet?
Yeah, man. I like it, man. Meringue seed.
Yeah,
Give him
$5.
5 feet.
What is that?
5.
5.
$5 for that.
Yeah.
You need it, it's $100. Yeah, $100?
No, $100. I mean, I have no change. I mean, I don't change. I have problem. A good color this ladder? A good color? Are they mixed them with it?
What's the URG? I have much, yeah?
Like, give me some. How you sell it?
$200.
No. You are.
What color?
Yeah, I'm doing a video on YouTube. And what I go on TV, so if you want the training route.
Yeah, man, this is the Ochie market. So whenever time you comes and you need to get some good herbal stuff, you can come inside and you can check for Anthony, the herbal man from 9 Mile.
Make sure you come check him.
It's best to get the base from the man whenever time you're ready. Pretty much cool.
Alright, then let's say nothing more. Aye.
That's not more.
Then I fully, and I get the callaloo, good callaloo cut up fresh for you.
Yeah, man.
How much for that?
200 Jamaican, if I US. 2
When I
US.
use you, when I have name yours.
When I come now.
Yeah, Jamaican. Me look at US to you?
Yeah, man, look at
Which part of me look at US?
You will, yeah.
Me check my birth certificate.
Let's see now.
Okay.
You let it? Okay.
Me not left it. I'm not a US, I'm a Jamaican.
Yeah.
Learn that.
Eh? Yes, some Jamaican people, man. Look.
I'm a Jamaican.
Yes, some Jamaican people, US people can look like it.
I'm a Jamaican.
Yeah, man, I know. Please, I can eat 2,500 now.
We are born raw Jamaican. See it, Slado? See it, yeah? You smell it? You broke it? Guinean, yeah. And this is the best bush you could ever drink. You mean I drink it though it tastes bad.
It's bad, you know?
Yeah, Guinean bush. Guinean weed.
Let me come and throw it from the back.
Okay. Cinnamon.
Hey, Princess Diana, come here. Oh, you guys, Princess Diana.
No, something look like a missing.
Are we going? Come on. Eh? One.
So like I said, you know, not pretending.
Are you yourself and I?
Bring through language she talking.
Me,
I'm a
myself,
Jamaican, so we talk. What about the backside this here?
Where's that? Voilà, pick a song, we don't want.
You don't know when me pick up about Jamaican. Me a Jamaican, me a Ban, Ra, St. Elizabeth me come from.
No problem.
St. Elizabeth me come from. No, I'm a African black woman. I am African because all Jamaicans are African. All Jamaicans are African. No no culture. And that make the white man fool you know.
No white man can fool me.
No. All of the Indians that was living here, then kill them and bring African slave here. You know like but it'll go up.
You see that man, huh? The roots man.
The roots man.
Yeah,
Alright, sir.
what do you have now? You have a problem.
You probably have.
I'm one. You drink too much of the roots and you make it never sleep. You make it never sleep.
Oh, sure.
And making tongue stiff.
Making tongue stiff
You need
too.
to move, making it a move.
Lord Jesus.
Give me, ask me your name, I'm making it.
So what's your name?
When you can't sleep, you're sick.
Yeah.
So the root billionaires make you sleep.
Yes. I'm here with Mama Rootsy.
Yes.
So tell them what the good stuff we have now. And
Yes.
chat Jamaican. Yeah. A water one this name, you know. A water one
Yes,
this
we
name.
are in Ochie Via's market. Yes. Big open dedication. You walk around, you'll find plenty herbalists. You understand? But then everybody are herbalists.
Exactly.
Because some of us can't be herbalists, so we can't do not give a test to make somebody have a result.
Yeah.
But anyway, I'm a herbalist. 100%.
And show them the good stuff. Show them the good stuff. So if you want to take off weight, you want to clean out your body,
Yes.
out all of the gunk
Detox
them,
cleanser.
all of the gunk them where you have in your body, you want to clean it out, you need to come here, so.
You're right, yes, sir. Shop
Right,
here.
yes, sir. Mama Rootsy Detox Cleanser.
Yes.
So no know if you come in at Ochie Market, don't forget, come on, Mama Rootsy, come check it out.
Yes,
Tell
and
them
this
where
one,
you are. Tell them
and
the
this
good
one is also an improved sex drive for men that have low sex drive. It's
And what if
really,
them have
really
the
good.
young boy and
You understand?
do
You know,
like-
sometimes you know you go and look 5 minutes, and sometimes women like that, you know, want to look more extra money. So for boots up yourself, you can get look improved sex drive. Maybe the body cleanser is really
Improve sex drive. They improve sex drive there.
So because we take it, he looks so.
And this one is high blood pressure. Plenty of us travel with pressure problem. Doing a detox cleanser, carrying the pressure is good to take a body cleanser. A detox cleanser, 2 of them together, it work together for 7 days. And your pressure get back normal. Even if it's high or low, the cleanser is the result that will also do the start. This one is the starter, and this one is the finisher. You understand? And this one is for cancer cell. You know, people have cancer cell, you know, especially when the man go up in an age. You know, say you need to drink some of this to clean your body. You know, the carnier is really, really good and really, really 100% work. You understand?
What is that one?
And this one having guinea hen weed and dandelion root and corn ear. It's really, really good for the body. But as when we go back again, the flusher is the starter and this one is the finisher. So you drink the 2 of them together, it works together.
So you know, Sarah said when you want, it's something for turn up, and you say you
They
come.
say you come.
This one I've on the label still now, but you know, this one is the Nuni juice. 100% is also gin and everything is good. 100% out. Really, really good. You want me to direct some more bush to them?
Yeah, man, show them the bush.
Bush eye healing, you know. You know, this one right now we call it, we never go on there. This is good for people that have pressure too. With also your coconut water, cut it, put it in the water, let it change. When you put it in like maybe 10 minutes, make it soak and drink it. It's good for people that have arthritis. Feeling pain in the body is really, really good. We have to know how to prepare it. It's good. We also have the good old dandelion root. This one is the dandelion. Because this one look like most like the vervine. But you know now when a woman can't have baby, can do the vervine, dogwood and pennyroyal. It's really good, open a woman through, clean it out and stuff. Sometimes doctor says you can't have baby, that's a lie, you can't have baby. Because babies are a gift from God, not from man. It's really good. We're doing with combined numbers. And this one is this one is the guinea hen weed. You can also boil it with even the corn ear. It's really good. Sometimes it's more to stick to your herbs more than take doctor medication. This more better because this come from God, it don't come from man. This is a healer, 100% healer. But you know to find me, and my number is 343-0681. You can follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on YouTube, Mama Rootsy. You will see me doing plenty of video. You can even go subscribe and like and stuff. It's really good, and this is a good blood cleanser. Aloe vera is a good blood cleanser with also you can drink it with orange juice for 9 days. It's good. 9 days. It's really good.
No, you're not have to say go so go round
Ground this up.
Yeah, that what I say. Go so.
Go so.
Shop it up here.
It's raining right now in Kingston, and I'm kind of vexed because... Eh?
Deliver here them backside where them are deliver. And they're full of crap.
Yeah, go.
Come here, come with us.
Yeah, buy some.
Nice and cool, man. Jesus. Them cut down, wash and then cut down the shelf then. Yeah. Then cut it down and who did that come in here TV people them same thing.
They cut it down and make more shelves. They can't, they make more shelves. I say, oh, my liquor section is not. But they have some interest.
Go on already, go on already.
No, no liquor. Do you know this company, Slado? Never heard of them before.
Ready Park? From the cream.
Never heard of them before. Do you?
Yeah, I put it in the Ready Park from the cream.
It's in St. Catherine.
You know Ready Park?
No?
You say I know where Ready Park is.
You know where it's at?
I know where it's at.
Never heard of the company before. Do you want a
Red Bull, huh?
and a Red Bull, you know?
Not a Red Bull, a Red Bull.
A different company.
Red Bull Park for them.
Me I look for lemon one. Grab two. I need a like. You just buy them for the wine. You don't know which one you like. Slide away I drink. I grab
What is that beer, man?
All this.
Heineken.
All that for me.
No, sorry.
What is that? Wine? What is that? Aloe wine. No, I know that.
Pockets are getting tight like a
So
sunfly.
you can never get one something to put them in.
Come slide away, you want to go?
So I don't get one cut on cart because they will just sit with them sit down.
What?
Get a cart.
No, I want 6
Oh, yeah.
6 What that? I have pies yourself, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Man, I vex it now, then they put that back
Me no know.
there.
Me no
Look
know.
at garlic wine.
Anything you be a hit me, I drink it.
This one here, garlic wine right here. They say, oh, that tastes good. Garlic. Yeah, man, chap. It a good. You enjoy it. Oh, you make all your water run through your eye.
Then I brush it better.
Broke it again.
Let's brush a ring you on, you know. And then sweat, you know. I'm going to St. Mary Hills. Bush.
Shadow when I send me, I tell you with them like. Shadow,
Why don't you go by bridge and say?
Maurice.
I like manual, but then kind of sink. So you have to be careful when you go over them.
A girl hold them.
A girl hold them and manual you think.
So them call them a
Good fire.
I see when you go by bridge, Maurice. When you go over the bridge.
Yeah.
Go right up to the hotel. You also look up manual cover. See this man a swing, see the Migley there.
Some girl will cover me.
What have you done? What have you done?
See them a Migley, you know this. See it? See one more here?
Yeah, I'm gonna meet you Bandy. Yeah, I'm gonna meet you Bandy.
One more peso.
About 2 hours a message then. Or 2 hours.
One more there peso.
Alright.
Come on, I'll be drone us over there.
One more is and I eat that now.
Roger.
Eh?
Come on, I'll be drone us over there now.
Eh?
Yeah, man, I'll do the drone it.
What? How far when?
I found some 91 King the bank.
What's that there, big boy?
Slaughter, you are in my video talking. I'm entering St. Mary now. Look at the beautiful place of my place. Oh, no, look for my place. Oh, no, look for my place.
Everything I sent you come from.
Lord God Almighty. Open the door, let them two outside for me. Open the door and let them out. No, sir. Master God, man, you're not terrible. Me can't even make my video decent. They're on their chat.
Welcome to St. Mary.
That's so there on it. On camera on it?
You want me to let you out too? You go and talk. Yes, and this is the place where they call St. Mary. And if you don't look on the road, nobody now do nothing. Nobody don't look on the road with no big machine gun. Like how somehow no self. I talk about Jamaica. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I have to make them know say. No, they fit happy.
Jamaica no bad.
Jamaica is a safe place. So just like crime go on some places. You have to understand, say they everywhere. You look on the hills, look how the road them clean and nice. Lord Jesus. Open the window, me smell. Ah, you smell that? You smell that? Fresh. Lord Jesus. Me say place does smell nice and clean. Oh my God. We did have sinus, so no come in and the sinus clear up. Me say all me knee did that pain me, my foot did that pain me, my back foot did that pain me, my left foot did that. Me say my foot did that pain me. And as soon as me come off of the plane, the whole of hit top. And now we are in St. Mary. This is the lovely parish of St. Mary. Beautiful resorts, as you can see. Beautiful resort. This is more for retirement area. A lot of people. I'm going to let out start out of the car right around the corner, right around the side. We don't reach the corner and let out start out of the car.
Very nice.
That you can walk, go where I go. We're not really, you know, beautiful kids are coming from school. Big up on yourself.
Show them the couples hotel.
Oh, when I say anybody have their man or their woman or their boyfriend or their sweetheart, we have the couples. Couples resorts. Lord God Almighty. Broke people can't go here, so don't know. No broke and Papa Ross don't come. If you broke and Papa Ross, then I know yard. Look at me.
I'm going to show them over at New Island.
Oh, man.
New Island,
The new, they have nude people. Lord, if I look at them, I pull up and see show nude people them.
On island over there?
Yeah.
Nude beach, I lie.
Yeah. Boat car them grass and car everything where they want.
This is the beautiful parish. He's down, he's.
High school.
This is a school zone. Respect our manners and order.
School kids going home.
Yes. What you use? What you picking in them? Ray, me a pass with the camera and no hide in the face. We don't want to go on YouTube. Where is the Marcella hotel you know buy?
So you know say Raja or Slava?
Where's Raja?
Raja you know buy.
Marcella, what's $50 me can't afford it?
Raja you know buy the hotel there. Oh, no house are right on the beach, man.
We don't go fish already.
You catch fish?
Oh, yeah, so yeah, man.
I fish catch you, which one?
Oh, catch fish, man. Mostly eel. Every main eel, hook up on my line.
So, Raja, when you don't want the fridge, you just take them and put them on the roadside?
Why fish?
No, the fridge, you want to hold it on the deep fridge,
Yeah, we use every black road. When a demonstration time. Try them out the road.
Okay, so when I demonstrate for?
Road and water and better life.
Then the government can go no better life?
Yeah, better minimum wage.
We have problem with that in New York. Minimum wage I can't pay me bill. So you hear that? Machine that, you know. No him come down for the hill.